So any comments? Thoughts?
What? Are you
No.
recording?
Hmm?
No, not really.
Not really. So that'd be an interesting experiment.
There we go.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
It's gonna melt that whole can. I bet you.
Wow, that's hot.
It was like shooting out the sides. Whoa.
I think we need to like liquefy a bunch of snakes.
Probably lost room to expand, but
Well, that is the biggest snake I've ever seen. See?
Yeah.
You got a python there.
Wow, that's burning hot.
it's a lot of snakes.
Carver.
Any thoughts now?
That was pretty cool. Like a freaking blow.
I love how it was like shooting out the
Goddamn.
sides.
Oh, there's $8 up in flames.
$8, man. 15.
15.